Oswin Wood Panels Private Limited has been at the forefront of the plywood industry for almost 3 decades. Ever since its inception in 1994 by our founder, Mr. Rajkumar Tibrewala, who believed in honesty, discipline and hard work. Oswin's state-of-the-art plant in Gumadipundi near Chennai has delivered quality plywood, blockboards, doors and elite products that have met every single global standard and stood the test of time. This has been validated by the trust placed on us by our customers from all over the world, including countries like Finland, Turkey, Israel, Dubai and Sri Lanka. Even as we were chipping our way to increasing market share, we noticed a gap in the market. While solid wood has been the preferred finishing material for all types of furniture, it comes with one glaring disadvantage: high cost. Customers were looking for something that was easy on the pocket without compromising on quality and durability. So, we took the plunge into the world of prelam particle boards, and in 2021, Oswin Prelam was born. Our versatile prelam particle boards are fast becoming the center point of interior decoration for affordability and easy to assemble furniture. Our advanced line of plain and prelam particle boards are made in one of the most modern and sophisticated facilities in India, located in Srikalahasti in Andhra Pradesh. With the latest technology and machinery procured from all over the world, this plant rolls out 250 cubic meters of particle board per day. We are one of India's largest particle board plants and one of the very few producing 8x6 and 9x6 feet boards. At Oswin Prelam, our manufacturing process is the perfect orchestration between tried and true methods entwined with cutting-edge technologies, bringing you products of the highest caliber that are also eco-friendly and sustainable. The manufacturing process begins with chunks of timber and wood being fed through a chipper where they are converted into small chips. These chips are further processed into finer particles in a flaker. These particles are then taken to our top-of-the-line 3-pass dryer that removes water from the particles and maintains optimum moisture levels. The finer particles are separated from larger particles through sieving. The larger particles are used as the core of the particle board, while the finer ones are used on both the surfaces. Both core and surface materials are blended with glue separately and then taken to forming bins, where they are formed into mats. The two forming bins work together to evenly distribute the finer material on the top and bottom surfaces and the core material in the middle of the mats. Once this process is completed, the mats go through a pre-press for preliminary compressing and then cut to 8x6 and 9x6 feet boards. The pre-compressed boards are taken to our 12 Delight hydraulic hot press via a loader. This is where the actual compression happens. With the help of high temperature and pressure, the boards are compressed in the hot press, resulting in perfectly pressed boards having uniform mechanical and physical properties, ensuring their durability, strength and stability. After the boards are cooled on the cooling wheel, the sides are trimmed to actual size using sawing machines. To ensure an ultra-smooth surface, these boards are evened out and smoothened in a 6-head sander to form what we call the motherboard. All boards go through stringent inspection by our finishing experts, where defective sheets are removed. These high-quality motherboards are now sent for lamination. The paper selected for lamination has already been infused with glue, dried and cut to size using an advanced glue impregnation line, and stored in a temperature and humidity controlled room. In a completely automated line that guarantees zero bubble lamination, the motherboard is sandwiched between 2 sheets of decorative paper and glued together in a short cycle press. Finally, after trimming the excess paper around the edges, the boards are now graded for quality. Oswin Prelam's world-class laminated particle boards are now ready for dispatch, in line with the benchmarks that we set for innovation and sustainability. Our boards are strong, lightweight and eco-friendly. They are available in a multitude of fade-proof colors and patterns, making them perfect for a variety of applications, ranging from storage units to chalkboards, cash counters to dressing tables, and false flooring to designer ceilings. Our 3-layered structure ensures the boards have high impact resistance and good screw holding capacity. This focus on key features, attention to detail in every aspect of manufacturing, and commitment to unrivaled excellence has quickly brought us a large base of satisfied customers, both national and global. We continue to ensure that we keep up with the times in terms of technology and processes, making us reach and stay at the pinnacle of progress. Oswin Prelam, elegance and style.